the questions that will come out in your English examination in NECO exams for this year. So if you are writing English examination, NECO, here are the questions that will certainly come out. Before we get to the specific topics to focus on, what I'm giving you is more like an expo that you need to know as you prepare for NECO exams. Now, this NECO English has 3 papers. Paper 1 is multi-choice question, that is OBJ. Paper 2 will be comprehension and summary. Then paper 3 will be, paper 2 will have 100 marks. Then paper 3 will be orals, oral test of orals. Now let's look at the areas that they will come out from. We have lexics and structure. Lexics first. The things that will come out under lexics for this year will be building and building construction, agriculture, fishing, things concerning fishing, stock exchange, health, environment, culture, institutions and ceremonies, laws and order, motor vehicles and traveling. If you are not able to see this thing I'm sending very well, you can do 3 things. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials, then come under this video and tell me you have subscribed, then I can send you these materials to you. Environment, culture and institutions and ceremonies, law and order, motor vehicles and traveling, government and administration, sports, religion, science and technology, animal husbandry, advertising, human internal body system and function, idioms, structured elements, figurative usage. Under lexics and structure, these are the areas that will bring out questions from. So as you study, don't just read these specific areas, okay? These are the things that will come out in NECO English exam. Of course, you know that NECO is a compulsory subject. Another area is structures. They will ask you the patterns of changes in word forms which indicate number, tense, degrees. Conjunction, determinants, and preposition. When I send you this syllabus, you can pay closer attention to it. Remember, if you have not gotten timetable for NECO, if you have not gotten any material concerning NECO, just subscribe to our YouTube channel right now and then comment under this video that you have subscribed. Then I can send you all materials. If you want past questions, if you want timetable, if you want this syllabus so that you can pay attention to it, just subscribe and let me know. Then under essay writing for this year, there will be categories for letter writing, speech writing, narration, description, argument and debate, report, article, exposition, and creative writing. So as you read, these are the ones you should pay attention to. Then there will be comprehension. Comprehension. We don't yet know the comprehension that we said. Then there will be summary. Summary will also come out. Then paper 3, oral questions. This will be made out of 60 multiple questions. Oral question will be 60 questions. They will ask you questions of consonants, consonant clusters, vowels, diphthongs, stress and intonation, pattern, dialogues, and narratives. So these are basically what you should be expecting in your both emphatic, stress, and all the rest. When I send you this, you'll be able to look at it all the more. If you have any question concerning English language in NECO, feel free to ask me. If you have any question, if you want me to send this material to you so that you can look at it very well on WhatsApp or your email address. If you want me to send you NECO timetable, if you want me to help you in any way concerning checking your result and anywhere, just like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, then tell me under the comment that you have subscribed, then I will send you a message and I and my team will start guiding you. Thank you so much.